Good morning, ma'am. My name is Regine M. Rodriguez, Group 8 Reporters. So, we're going to tackle is all about employment opportunities in tourism. So, employment opportunities in tourism. At present, tourism has acquired the distinction of being one of the world's largest industries. It consists of many components such as transportation, accommodation, food service, tourist destination, tourist attraction, travel workers, as well as travel. So, karon ang tourism being one of the largest industries in the world. Nag-consist na siya og different parts, sectors including transportation, how people travel, accommodation where people stay, food service where people eat, tourist destination and attraction, places people visit. Travel brokers and related services, businesses that help plans and book trips. So, next, airline. Airline jobs are exciting, adventurous, and well-paying with good long-term prospects. Despite temporary economic challenges, opportunities include various roles both in the air and on the ground, such as flight attendant, agents, service staff, managers, and supervisor. So, ang airline, work in the airline industries is exciting and appealing to people who enjoy adventure, offering rules both in the air and on the grounds. So, dahanan siya og mga job variety ang airlines, including flight attendants, ticket and reservation agents, food service staff, dispatcher, ramp and operation worker, sales manager, lounge staff, supervisor, and many other administrative and service roles. So, example about that is flight attendant. The position of flight attendant has evolved from the career that was once called stewardess, hostess, or steward. In the past, employees who filled this position were young, female, unmarried, attractive, and required to be nurses. Ang flight attendant is nag-evolve na siya. Dati, babae lang or nurse ang gidawat, pero karon pwede na lalaki o bisag unsa nga kurso basta imong height pasok or kanang healthy ka. Kailangan pod nga marunong kag mag-English o dapat guwapa daw ka. Maganda ang trabahong ito dahil nakakapag-travel ka ng libre o mura at pwede kang ma-promote sa mas mataas na posisyon. So, next. Ticket agents, reservation agents, clerks. Reservation agents or clerks work in central offices handling inquiries, schedules, and bookings via phone and computer. So, tumatanggap ng booking at sumasagot sa mga tanong gamit ang telepono o computer. So, ang ticket agents work at counters, offices, answering fair question, issuing tickets, and providing information. So, ang ticket agents ay nasa counter, sumasagot ng mga katanungan at nagbibigay ng ticket. So, airline food services. Essential role ensuring quality meals and snack are available. Airlines plan international menus and training in food service or hospitality is often required. So, ang airline food service, sila ang tagaluto o taga-serve ng mga masasarap na pagkain at merienda sa loob ng eroplano. Flight dispatcher authorizes take-off monitors, flight status, weather, and airspace, communicates with crew to ensure safety and efficiency. So, ang flight dispatcher, sila ang pumapayag kung pwede nang lumipad ang eroplano o sinusigurado nilang maayos ang panahon at lagay ng lipad at nakikipag-usap sa mga piloto. Operation agents, station ramp agents, supervise baggage, cargo handling, coordinates passenger transfers, and announce flight arrival departures. So, ang operation agents, sila ang tagabantay sa pag-alis at pagpasok ng mga bagahe at kargamento. Sales manager or district sales manager, oversee tickets, offices, and sales teams, promote service and manage relationship with travel agents. So, sila ang namumuno sa pagbebenta ng ticket, pagpupromote ng serbisyo at nakipag-ugnayan sa mga travel agency at customer. So, airline lounge receptionist. Welcome guest, manages lounge access, serves refreshment, handle reservation and maintain facilities. So, ang airline, sila ang tagatanggap at taga-asikaso ng mga pasahero sa waiting lounge o VIP room. Nagbibigay sila ng inumin at sinisiguradong malinis ang lugar. So last, H. Flight attendant supervisor. Oversees and coordinates flight attendants, assign duties, monitor performance, maintains records and prepare evaluation reports. So sila ang boss o pinuno ng mga flight attendant. Sila ang nagtatala ng trabaho, tumitingin sa performance at gumagawa ng report.
Ramp flight attendant. So, ang ramp flight attendant, this person checks if flight attendants look proper and do their tasks correctly, and they make reports and schedules and inform the team if there are changes in their work team. The next is crew scheduler. So, ang crew scheduler, they plan the work schedule for the flight team, track their working hours, and assign duties fairly. They also arrange the replacement when needed and tell everyone their task. Then next is flight crew time clerk. So, ang flight crew time clerk, sila may record and checking working hours to compute the right salary. They follow rules and carefully and submit the total work hours needed for scheduling. Then ang next is flight reservation manager. Ang flight reservation manager, siya may they lead the booking team and make system better and study travel patterns and weather conditions. They also handle complaints and make sure service is good. Then next is gate agent. Gate agent, they help passengers when boarding or arriving, check tickets, give boarding passes, and assist elderly or disabled. The next is gate services supervisor. Ang gate service supervisor ay they supervise the staff at the gates, check flight schedules and passenger list, and make sure all work is done correctly and politely. The next is ground host or hostess. Ang ground host or hostess, sila may welcome and help passengers inside the airport, answer questions, assist with luggage and directions, and guide travelers, especially foreigners, to their gates. The next is passenger service representative. Ang passenger service representative, they give social help to passengers who need extra care like VIPs, elderly people, persons with disabilities, and children traveling alone. Muna siya ay passenger service representative. The next is reservations agents. Ang reservation agents, they handle flights booking and confirmation, check available seats, and inform customers about any flight changes or cancellation. Muna siya ay reservation agent. The next is senior reservation agent. So, ang senior reservation agent, they supervise the booking staff, ensure good service quality, update work methods, and manage tasks like rebooking passengers when flights are cancelled. Muna siya senior reservation agent. Then next is ticketing clerk. Ang ticketing clerk ay They prepare the process flight tickets, record all necessary details, calculate the fare correctly, and organize all documents properly. Mana siya ay ticketing clerk.
T is aircraft log clerk. Maintains records of aircraft usage, maintenance schedules, and inspection intervals, prepares reports for aviation and authorities. So, the aircraft log clerk is the record keeper. Sila may mag-maintain sa records inside the airplane usage, inspection, and also the maintenance. U is airport attendant. Inspect facilities for safety and fire hazard. Patrols the airfield for security records, operational data like arrivals, departure, and passenger counts. So they are the safety patrollers. They walk around the airport and inspect sila if ever na mga guba-guba and for the safety of the passenger. V is flight information expediter. Calculates flights times based on weather and plans. Communicates data through air traffic control. Notifies ground crews for incoming flights. So, they are the info sharer. They do the math figure out when planes will arrive and then pass the information along to the pilots and crews on the ground. W is airport manager. Oversees overall airport operation, facilities, maintenance, and staff activities, ensure compliance with regulation, handles planning, development, and emergency procedure. So, this is the big boss of the airport. Sila mo'y maglantaw sa tanang nahitabo inside the airport. And also, i-make sure nila nga tanan is ni-follow sa rules. And also, sila mo in charge if ever na ay mga something wrong or any emergencies. Next is the station manager. Manage airlines, station activities including ticketing, passenger service, cargo, and ramp operation, ensure efficient and compliant flight operation. So they are the big boss of the specific airline area. They make sure things like selling tickets, helping passenger, and also moving luggage. Y is Chief Airport Guide. Supervises tour guides, organize tour to suit different groups while ensuring they do not disrupt airport operation. So, they are the tour leaders. Sila may mag-supervises guided tours for visitor arrange sa tours para di madisturbo sa airport activities. Di sila makadisturbo. Last is traffic agent. Solicit business for freight and passenger travel, explain routes and services to clients. So they are the travel helpers. Sila may mag-explain sa mga people about sa different travel services. Mag-explain sa the ways to get from the one place to another and help people moving big items.
So, my part is travel agency. So, travel agency acts as a broker connecting buyers, travelers, and sellers, hotels, airlines, and etc. So, ang travel agency dahil mo ni siya mo-connect sa tanan. To buyers, sellers, hotels, to airlines. And A. Travel agent helps customers plan and book entire trip including accommodation, transport, and special events. They also provide travel information and cost calculation. So the travel agent is they are the one who help tourists and customers like planning and booking their entire trips. So naka-include na ang mga accommodation ng ilang stayan og transport, ilang sakyan og mga special event na ilang atuan. So B, the travel information center supervisor or busy staff who welcome motorists, provide directions, road condition maps and other travel information. So C, tour operator, wholesaler in the travel industries who design and market tour packages on a large scale to be sold by retail travel agents. So the tour operator, so they are the one who wholesaler in the travel industry, design and market store packages on a large scale. So mo nay buhat sa tour operator. So the tourist information assistance. So the tourist information assistance help tourists with information planning, itineraries, traffic regulation, and details on attraction. So tour guide escort. So tour guide escort visitors, describe points of interest, managing schedules and payments, and may need to speak foreign language. So ang tour guide is like makita nimo kasagaran sa mga tour guide is they are the one who explaining the tourist spot or mga attraction like ang ilang buhat pod kay mo-explain po na sila kung nganong ningon ana na unoy mo og tourist spot o asa gasugod ana sila pod ang usahay nga mokuan sa mga mo entertain or kung nay mga foreign sila po mo istorya. So dagan gamit ang tour guide. So next, hotels and motels. So A. So A, manager So manager of a hotel or motels oversees all operation for profitability, set standard, handle personal, advertising, guest service, finances, budgeting, and delegates tasks. Lodging. B. Lodging facilities manager. Manage and maintains various temporary or permanent lodging facilities, including supply, procurement, service arrangement, fuel, laundry, cleaning, and minor repairs. So, manager of a hotel or motels, they are the one who sees all operation, set standards, mo handle sila mga personnel, mo advertising, mo kuan sila guest service, then budgeting and mga tasks. And lodging facilities manager is the maintaining various temporary or permanent lodging facilities. Naka-include na daw ang mga supplies, procurement service, arrangement, dayon fuel, laundry, and cleaning and minor repairs. So next next is hotel clerk. Performs front desk duties, so they are the one who like like naa sila sa front desk, like sa front sa hotel tong murag magkuan sa mga customers, murag sila man daw may mag-book ana ay sila yung mag-book like they assigning room, sila po yung magkuan og sa key, maghatag, mag-manage sa key, handling the message, inquiries, providing direction, and managing guest accounts and processing payment. So, mo na ibuhat sa hotel clerk or ang mga front office personnel. sales representative contact business, government, and social groups to secure business for hotels, motels, or resort, providing information and handling reservation contracts. Cruise lines. So, we are here in cruise lines. So, cruise lines director. So, cruise lines director is responsible for daily activities. So, cruise lines director, they are responsible for daily activities, planning, entertainment, like, ingaw then, passenger information, acquiring strong social and administrative skill, like, they are the one who kuan who plan who plan the entertainment. Yes. Documentation supervisor oversees the preparation of shipping documents, cargo classification, tariff, rates, ship schedules, and worker ratings. Chef, steward or steward, basta, supervises personnel in the steward department, handling housekeeping, meal service, passenger area, cleanliness, and ensuring company standards. So, sila ang mga magkuhan sa mga meal, sa mga customers, or tourists. And they are the one who maintain the cleanliness. Yes. The social director plans and organize recreational activities, fosters and friendly atmospheres with guests, and encouraging participation in group activities. So they are like a teacher. They encourage the guests, tourists, or customers to participate to their activities. Yes. E. So this is booking supervisors oversees cargo booking ensures maximum space. Sila reviews booking records, calculates teenage and assign booking duties to maximize revenue. So we have the last motor coaches, buses. Bus dispatcher schedules long distance buses, supervise drivers and attendants at the terminal, issue departure order, arrange extra buses for emergencies, and make public address announcement. Bus attendant provide passenger service to ensure a pleasant trip, welcomes boarders, adjusts seatings, answers questions about schedules and routes, points out attraction, and distributes reading materials, comfort items. So see dispatcher clerk. So this is the last dispatcher clerk. Schedule bus, crew work, maintains time records, assign workers based on their seniority. So dispatcher clerk is they are the one who assign the personnel kung asa sila mas capable or asa sila mas mukuan anang trabaho kay nakabase man silang seniority they notify staff of assignments, manages availability, and arrange replacement crew when necessary.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mariam Ganlas. My topic is all about bus industry roles. Bus attendant provides personal service to ensure passenger comfort, assists with seating, answers inquiries, and distribute amenities. Dispatcher clerk manages work schedules, maintains time records, assigns duties based on seniority, and arrange replacement when necessary. Car rental industry roles: sales rental agent assists customers in selecting suitable vehicles, requiring good interpersonal skills, professional appearance, and proficiency in computerized booking and billing system. Reservation agent handles booking
request via phone, verifies vehicle availability, and collects necessary details including payment information to confirm reservation. So, ang bus attendant nag-atiman sa mga pasahero like nagtabang sa pagpangita og lingkuranan dayon og naghatag og mga gamit or snack. So, kaning kuan dispatcher clerk nagdumala sila like schedule sa trabaho or pareha nang nag-record sa oras og naghatag sa mga assignment based sa seniority og mangita og kuan ikapuli kung walay mga trabaho inana. So kani pong kuan sales rental agent mao na siya nagtabang sa mga customer sa pagpili og mga kuan sa sakyanan nga like para nila kinahanglan maki-istorya nga like kana mo na siya mga presentable sila inana. So kani pong kuan reservation agent mo ni sila ang tigdawat og booking pinagi like sa telepono, then nag-check kung nabay available nga sakyanan o nangulikta sila og information like pareha ng bayad para ikuan sa kuan reservation. So basta mo na siya. So proceed ta sa additional car rental rules. Car rental sales representative promote service to business and travel sectors, secure corporate deals and collaborates with travel agent and airlines. Automobile rental clerk processes rental by assessing customer needs, verifying documents, calculating cost, and handling contrast and payment. Gaming entertainment industry carrier paths are divided into 5 tracks. Hotel operations, similar to full-service hotels with rooms and guest service, offering key opportunities. Food and beverage operates as a separate division. Food and beverage operation covers restaurant, room service, banquets, and retail with management roles in both front and back of house. Dayon, casino operation split into 5 functional areas: gaming service, marketing, HR, finance, administration. Roles include dealers, technicians, and supervisors. So kaning car rental sales kay mo ni siya nag-promote sa service like sa serbisyo sa mga kumpanya o travel agencies or naghimo pud ni sila og mga kasabutan like nakig-uban sa mga travel agencies o airlines. So kaning automobile rental clerk kay nagproseso pud ni sila o nagkuan sila pag-abang og nangutana unsa ang kinahanglan sa customer or nag-check pud sila og papilis og nagkwintas sa mga presyo og mga asikaso pud sila sa mga kontrata og bayranan. So kaning kuan gaming entertainment industry. Casino operations staff include security, purchasing, maintenance, marketing, HR, finance, and administration terms with roles across various functional areas. Retail operation focuses on non-gaming revenue requiring skills in store design, product selection, merchandising, and sales control. Ang entertainment operation offers care and production stage, theater management, lighting, box office operation, and talent management. So, ang kuan casino operations kay ang mga trabante ani nagkuan sila og security, purchasing, maintenance o marketing, HR, finance o office staff. Dayon kaning retail operations kay mo ni sila nagpokus sa pagbaligya og mga produkto dayon kinahanglan sila og kahibalo like mag-arrange sa mga tindahan o moapil og mga baligya og monitors sa mga halin. Ang entertainment operation kay mo ni sila ang maghimo og show o pagdala sa mga stage or theatre, through lights, ticket, booth, o pag-asikaso sa mga artista.